Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. We have already completed fill in the blanks and question number B, state true or false. Today, I will give you answers for application based questions and multiple choice questions. So, open page number 21 in your book. Your first application based question is: Neeta wants to locate a file that she had saved in her computer a few days back. She does not remember the exact name but can recall the first alphabet of the file name. Suggest her an appropriate method to find the file. So you can write its answer as L asterisk dot asterisk, where L represents the first letter of the file name. As it is given in the question that she does not remember the exact name, but she knows only the first alphabet. So, in place of L, she can write that first alphabet of the file name and then asterisk, because asterisk represents to any number of characters. And she don't know the extension name also. So here we have used asterisk also in place of extension name. So she can write like this: L asterisk dot asterisk, where in place of L she can write the first letter of the file. Now your second question is: Ria wants to listen to music while searching some information over internet. Which option should she choose to work with both applications simultaneously? In the last video you have seen we have arranged two windows and we can work in both the applications simultaneously by using the option show windows side by side. So you can write the answer: she should choose show windows side by side option. Now multiple choice questions. First question is: to copy multiple non-adjacent files and folders, press and hold down the dash key. Option A is Shift, B is Control and C is Alt. So your correct option is B, that is Control key. To select non-adjacent files, we use Control key. So correct option is Control key. Next question. You can use dash characters to locate the file if you know only a part of the file name. Options are A. Numeric, B. Wildcard and C. Trump card. So what will be here? Yes, option B is correct. Wildcard. Question number 3. Which file extension is used for music files? Yes, correct option is A. .mp3. Question number 4. Name the application that displays the hard disk drives, CD drives, removable devices and network locations that are connected to your computer. Option A is Windows Media Player, option B is Windows Explorer, and option C is Recycle Bin. So correct option is B, Windows Explorer. Now you can open your copy and write question answers in it. So your first question is, what is a file? Its answer is, a file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. As I have explained you in previous videos, that we can save any piece of information on storage devices in the form of a file. So, file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. Question number 2. What do you mean by file format? Its answer is, a file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. It is generally indicated by the file's extension like .doc or .docx. So, .doc or .docx is the file format which will save document files in which we are writing the text. Same way we have another file format like .mp3 in which we will save audio. Question number 3. Which characters are used to locate files or folders in case you know only a part of the file name? Explain use with the help of examples. Your answer is, wildcard characters such as asterisk and question mark are used when only a part of the file name is known. The character asterisk can be used to replace a string of text. String of text means there can be any number of characters, whereas character question mark can be used in place of any single letter or symbol in a search term. So, if we know how many characters are there, 1, 2 or 3, then we can use question mark. But when we don't know how many characters are there in the file name, then we can use asterisk. So here, first example is asterisk.docx will search for all the files having the extension as .docx, which means Microsoft Word files. So, asterisk means there can be any number of characters in the file name, and .docx extension name is given. So, computer will search only those files which are made with MS Word, and in their name there can be any number of characters. Now, the second example is kips 3 times question mark .docx will search for all the files whose name begins with kips followed by any 3 characters, and the extension name will be .docx. So, in this way we have completed question number 3. Now, you will see answer for the last question. So, the fourth question is, what is the need of sorting the files? How will you sort files on your desktop in an alphabetical order. Look to the answer. Sorting means arranging the items in a proper order. Windows allows us to sort files by name, size, item type and the date on which it is last time executed, which is called date modified. Sorting helps in easy retrieval of the required files. So, sorting will arrange the file names in alphabetical order as the words are arranged in the dictionary, which makes it easy to search the files. So, steps to sort files on our desktop in an alphabetical order are: first step, right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the sort by option and click the name sub-option. Third step, the icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. This you have seen practically in the last video. So, now we have completed chapter 2. You can complete your work in your copy and take care. Bye bye.